Hi everyone, this is Traders Union, the largest community of traders in the world. Today's topic is how to trade EURO-USD. Wondering how to trade EURO-USD effectively? Well, it's when the market is buzzing with activity, typically during the overlap of the London and New York trading sessions from 8 in the morning to noon Eastern Standard Time. Trading this popular currency pair on the Forex market requires a strategic approach. It begins with understanding how to access the market and what strategies to employ. The EURO-USD market can be accessed through spot trading and derivatives trading. Spot trading involves the direct purchase or sale of the currency pair at its current market price, while derivatives involve the use of financial contracts whose value is derived from the EURO-USD exchange rate. These contracts include futures, which are agreements to buy or sell the currency at a predetermined price on a specified future date, and contracts for difference, which allow traders to speculate on price movements. Next, let's talk about technical analysis. It involves the use of various tools such as chart patterns, indicators, and support and resistance levels to identify entry and exit points. Chart patterns help traders identify potential entry and exit points based on support and resistance levels. Chart patterns like trend channels, head and shoulders, ascending and descending triangles, wedges, double tops, and double bottoms can be used to help traders make informed decisions. The use of technical analysis indicators provides traders with valuable insights into the EURO-USD exchange rate. Moving averages, ADX, Bollinger Bands, and Relative Strength Index are commonly used indicators that can be applied to analyze price movements in the EURO-USD market. Support and resistance levels serve as psychological barriers. Support levels indicate where the price tends to find a floor, while resistance levels signal where it encounters a ceiling. These levels can be used to gauge potential price reversals or breakouts. Fundamental analysis is another crucial component. It involves monitoring economic indicators, news releases, and central bank statements to gauge the health of the Eurozone and the U.S. economy. Statements and policies of the Federal Reserve, geopolitical events, fiscal policies, and global economic conditions also have an impact on the fundamental analysis of the EURO-USD. Risk management is essential when trading EURO-USD. You can mitigate risk by setting appropriate stop-loss levels and position sizes, diversifying your portfolio by trading multiple currency pairs, using leverage cautiously, and sticking to a well-developed trading plan. In summary, trading EURO-USD effectively requires a strategic approach, a good grasp of technical and fundamental analysis, and solid risk management. In this video, we told you how to trade correctly. We hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget that choosing the right company is crucial for successful trading. Follow the link in the description to view the best Forex brokers' ratings and choose any of the top 3 companies.